So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to fade out a picture here in Alight Motion. So if you want to add a picture to your video, go to the bottom right, press the plus icon, select media, and then select a photo. I'll select this one of this cat right here. I'll make it smaller, just like that. So once the photo is selected, if I were to play the video, right, it doesn't fade out or anything like that. But if you want to maybe create a fade out, press the picture, go to the bottom right, select effects, add effects, scroll down, bottom right, opacity, visibility, then select fade in / out, and then standard settings. Once you're here, I'll go ahead and just turn fade in to off, select out, and then you can choose when the video will start to fade out. So if I were to go ahead and play the video just like this, it doesn't fade in, but then it slowly fades out. Just like that towards the end. Once again, it fades out towards the end. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to fade out a picture here in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.